नमस्कार साथीहरु, वेलकम अल अफ यु टु माई च्यानल। आजको डिस्कसनमा हामी चाहिँ रियल अप्सन एनालाइसिस को बारेमा छलफल गर्नेछौं and at the same time I would be illustrating the one example which I have taken from the I.M. Pandey wonderful book, that is the Financial Management 9th editions, that you will find in page number 278. Before discussing this problem, friends, financial option theory भनिसकेपछि that's a Black-Scholes goose model पनि भन्छौं। जस्तो कि 1973 this model was developed and even discussed by the Morton as well. र Mayers 1987 मा चाहिँ के गर्नुभयो भने he discussed the first time about the real option methods, and even Dixit and Pindyck 1994 मा साथीहरु चाहिँ that's he discussed about the importance of real option analysis, basically complex investment opportunities मा चाहिँ। अब हामीले फर्स्ट अफ अल क्वेशन सल्भ गर्नु अगाडि साथीहरु चाहिँ हामीले क्वेशन को फर्स्ट अफ अल गिवन इन्फर्मेसन बुझ्न सक्नु पर्यो। जस्तो फर एक्जाम्पल I already clarify the given information that present value of the cash flow in the million, which is noted by S, is the 167 million, while cost of developing drug in million which is noted by X, or sometime we see that exercise price ile pani note गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ 125 million. Basically this case is all about one pharmaceutical company which intends to value its patent. Now by using option Black-Scholes goose option model हामीले चाहिँ real option analysis गर्ने छौं आज। र next one is that life of the patent in year which is noted by T is 15 years. By the way, if month मा given छ भने हामीले यसलाई year मा कन्भर्ट गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ। Now what I did here, since I need to use the square root of T functions, right? So square root of 15 भनेकै that is the 3.873, while risk free rate, that is the just the government bond को भनौं न, that's a risk free rate example लिन सक्छौं, that is a 0.078, that is 7.8%, while variance in the value of the project one which is noted by sigma square, that is 0.268 is given. Now since we need to apply the standard deviation, then square root यसको गर्नुभयो भने you will find this standard deviation. र next important term is that कहिलेकाहीँ के हुन्छ भने जस्तो in this case 15 years को that's a patent भए पनि कस्तो छ भने when the company delay in introducing the drug, then that is noted by Y, जसलाई हामीले expected cost of delay in introducing drug भन्छौं, which is noted by Y. 1 year को delay छ भने 1/15 गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ साथै, that is 0.067. अब क्वेशन के आयो भने फ्रेन्ड्स, that is all about कि हामीले अब यो क्वेशन सल्भ गर्दाखेरि you have to find the call option value. र call option value find गर्नु अगाडि हामीले के गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ भने at first we need to find D1 and D2. अब D1 भनेको चाहिँ we could apply this equation, friends, that is जुन मैले फर्मुला पनि राखेको छु, that is ln भनेको चाहिँ that is S भनेको 167 divided by 125, that is the X strike price भन्छौं। र त्यसपछि again you can use R minus Y. R is the risk free rate, okay, minus Y is expected cost of delay in introducing drug भन्छौं, then that is plus 0.5, या कुनै बुकमा तपाईले 1/2 पाउनुहुन्छ। 1/2 भनेको that is a 0.5 into that is the variance भनेको that is a 0.268, यसलाई सेलेक्ट गर्नु पर्यो। then again this need to be multiplied with the its life of the patent कति छ भने 15 years. अब के गर्नु पर्यो भने this whole divided by a standard deviation, okay, standard deviation into a square root of T चाहियो। I already calculated this square root of T, so you just close it. That means our D1 value is 1.232 छ साथीहरु चाहिँ मैले 3 डिजिट सम्म लिइरा छु. Now what about the D2? अब D2 भन्दाखेरि because without knowing the D1 and D2 we cannot apply the call option equation. So it's working note मा हामीले के गर्नु पर्यो भने D1 र D2 निकाल्नु पर्यो. Now what about the D1? We already calculated. D1 minus standard deviation into square root of t भनेको मतलब that is pattern को t मैले square root of t यहाँ निकालिसकेको छु. So our D2 को भ्यालु भनेको that is the 0.773. Okay, मैले यो फर्मुला यहाँ मेन्सन गरिदिएको छ साथीहरु चाहिँ. अब now you would have a two option here. Either we use normal distribution table as I explained here. जस्तो कि फर एक्जाम्पल 1.23 एप्रोक्सिमेटली भन्नु पर्यो हामीले. 1.23 छ भने हामीले के गर्नु पर्यो भने 1.2 यसको चाहिँ 3 भन्दा 0.39065. सो ND1 हामीले निकाल्दाखेरि के गर्नु पर्यो भने that is 0.5 प्लस यसको एरिया by using normal distribution curve हामीले लिन सक्छौं. सो our ND1 value is 0.89065. Okay, now similarly ND2 भनेको चाहिँ D1 is अब 0.77 भनौं. 0.77 छ भने हामीले 0.7 and this is 7. Okay, अब क्वेशन के आयो भने हाम्रो D2 को भ्यालु या D1 को भ्यालु नेगेटिभ मा छ भने हामीले 0.5 माइनस यसको रेस्पेक्टिभ एरियालाई घटाइदिनु पर्यो. So manually by using normal distribution curve we could find it. Now the question is about by using Excel हामी कसरी युज गर्न सक्छौं त. Excel युज गर्दाखेरि we have a wonderful function that is the normal distribution भने यहाँ क्लिक गर्नु पर्यो तपाईले. और normal distribution curve कसको चाहियो भन्दाखेरि first of all let's see the D1 को चाहियो. ND1 we are going to find the ND1 by using the Excel. Now अब probability भनिसकेपछि अब maximum 1 हुन्छ, minimum भनेको 0 हुन्छ. So 0 to 1 गर्दिने र this is the 2 गर्यो भने you will find by using the Excel मा 0.891 approximately. Just manual मा पनि गर्दाखेरि 0.89065 that is approximately 0.891 भन्न सक्छौं. Now what about the ND2 friends? अब ND2 गर्दाखेरि again के गर्नु पर्यो भने again we have a normal distribution लिनु पर्यो. Now you are going to find the this is comma अब again 0 1 true. Okay, let's enter it. हुन त यसलाई ड्र्याग गर्दाखेरि पनि you will get the same value. अब के गर्नु पर्यो भने साथीहरु now my once you find the D1 D2 and ND1 ND2 now main अब हाम्रो क्वेशन के हो भने what would be the company's patent. So by using Black-Scholes formula हामी के गर्न सक्छौं भने we could find the call option value friends. अब call option value find गर्दाखेरि first of all equal sign गर्नु पर्यो. So this is S भनेको that is a 167. Okay, 167 into अब यो that's a e whole to the power minus yt भनेको that is the हामीले Excel मा exp exponential लिन सक्छौं. This is minus that is yt भनेको this is y is noted by expected cost of delay into t is your this 15 years. Okay, अब के गर्नु पर्यो भने हामीले now we already calculated friends. अब हामीलाई ND1 चाहियो. Okay, so into ND1 we already calculated. Our next that is the minus गर्नु पर्यो. Minus that is again you have to be careful while using formula friends. Excel use गर्दाखेरि पहिला manually solve गर्नु पर्यो, then better to use the Excel I would suggest all of you. Now what about the again our cost of developing drug is 125. 125 into exp लिनु पर्यो. फेरि exp मा अब के गर्नु पर्यो भने that means look at this one हामीलाई अब that is we need the RT. R भनेको that is the risk free rate this into our T. फेरि ND2 चाहियो. ND2 we already calculated here. ND2. Okay, now let's close our bracket. Once you enter it, that means our this company's patent value भनेको that is 46.215 छ साथीहरु चाहिँ. Actually I have taken this problem from the I.M. Pandey Sarko book Financial Management. This is a wonderful book, friends, but I try to just simplify the calculation by using the Excel. In coming days, friends, I will be discussing कि अब put option यदि हामीले अब निकाल्नु पर्यो भने how we could find the put option value. र basically अझ भन्दाखेरि option भनेको चाहिँ it could be अब American option, it could be European option भन्छौँ. अब European option भनिसकेपछि that could be exercised only at the end of the period, while American option भनेको चाहिँ it could be exercised up to the expiration date. That means any time up to the expiration date भन्छौँ. But this is the case of anyway European option, friends. Okay, friends, these are the things that I would like to share today. If you really think that this is important, then it's very important for all of you. You could capitalize the whole process by using the Excel also. I learned so many things from YouTube too. I believe that this could be also informative video for all of you, friends. Thank you all of you for watching this video. Please take care all of you. Thank you.